Hi, in this video we will see how we can download and install Visual Studio Code on our Windows computer. So at first we need to open a browser. I'm going to use Brave browser, but it's fine if you are using some other browsers too. First we need to go google.com and then we need to search by typing VSCode download, or you can simply type VSCode and then you will find code.visualstudio.com, that link. So just click there. There is another link, code.visualstudio.com. Both of the links are same. This is directly going to download page and this is going to the home page. So I'm going to click this link, the home page, or you can also click this link to go to the direct download page. So from here, once we are there, we are seeing the button is there for download for Windows, and also there is another button. So we just need to click here to start the downloading, and once we click here, it will pop up and it will ask in this window where we want to download. We have to choose the location where we want to download, and then finally we have to click the save button to start the download. It will take some time, like 1 minute. It depends on the computer speed, and here we are seeing it is very small size, less than 100 megabyte. So this Visual Studio setup file is very small. Once it is downloaded successfully, then we will install it step by step. Once the download is completed successfully, we can close this window and then just go to the download location. So my download location is downloads folder. So I just click there, and here we are seeing that Visual Studio Code setup file is there. We just need to run this software, or by running this software we can install this software. So to do this thing, we just need to double click, or we can right click, and from the menu we can choose open. I just double click over there and it is going to show this window like setup file, setup information. From here we have to accept the agreement, and then we have to press the next button to go to the next step. Here it is asking where we want to install the software. I'm not going to change the location where it will be installed. I am going to use the default location to install the software, which is this path, and I'm going to press the next button to go next step. Again I'm going to press the next button, and here it is showing select additional task. Like if we want to create a desktop icon, we can check mark this thing, so that there will be a check mark, and there will be a shortcut for this Visual Studio Code, from where we can directly open Visual Studio Code. And some other options are there, like add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, or add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. So like this. So I'm not going to check the other thing. I'm going to leave the other two like this, and then press the next button to go to the next step. So here it is showing ready to install, and it is showing where the Visual Studio Code will be installed. It will be installed like app data folder, local program, Microsoft VSCode, and start menu folder, Visual Studio Code. That means this is the start menu, and additional task. What are the thing it will do additionally? It will create desktop icon. I mean here it will create an icon and other thing also there. Now we need to press the install button. I'm going to click here to start the installation. It will take some time. Don't close this window. Just wait till it is finished. Once the installation is completed successfully, you will get this type of window. Here it is showing completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard, and it is showing there is a finish button to finish this installation. There is on check mark launch Visual Studio Code. I'm going to uncheck it because I will open it from here, and then I'm going to press this finish button, and the window will be closed. Now we can remove this thing because we don't need, and we can clean our hard disk. And then after that I'm going to remove that recycle bin. I mean emptying the recycle bin. Yes, and it will be removed. Now we can close this window, and we can open Visual Studio Code directly from here, or from here also. Search box, just type VI, then you will find the Visual Studio. It is showing like this. This is Visual Studio Code, right? Or you can type full visual or like that. Anyway, you can type VI or visual, it will show like this way. Now let's open this application, and to check whether it is running properly or not, I'm going to double click on top of this icon. We can also come here, and by typing Visual Studio Code, when it will come like this, we can also double click here to open the application. And after opening the application, it will be like this. At first we need to choose a theme. So there are 4 different themes are there, like dark theme, light, high contrast, or dark high contrast. I'm going to choose the first one, dark theme. And if you want more themes, you can click here to explore other theme also. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily download and install Visual Studio Code on our Windows 11 computer. And after that you can open the editor to edit any code file or text file or some programming file, whatever you want to do. Thank you guys for watching the video.